That was a great hair trick. Nice to meet you again, Seth. What size is that port? 10 inch, okay. And these subwoofers, which ones are they? Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Sir?
8,000.
Okay. Nice. So the back of the hatch doesn't open?
I can open top.
Oh, okay, got it. What size is that port?
10.
10 inch, okay. And these subwoofers, which ones are they?
No, 215.
215 inch.
Auto D818.
Okay. Yes, sir. Nice. All right. So your name is Seth. Seth. Okay. What is your port tuned to?
1 ohm.
Okay. So your amplifier's at 1 ohm. What is the port tuned to?
The port is tuned to 29.
29. Okay. 29. Nice. All right. All right. Last question. SPL score. How loud?
It's back and forth. The pound I get up 53.
Okay.
But the pound for the good weather, I get like 54. 59.
Okay. Yes, sir.
54.
Got it. Yes, sir. Thank you. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Seth's system. Really impressive for two 15-inch subs and a hatchback. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I went ahead as well and put the previous video link in the description. His back hatch was pretty much sealed shut, so I couldn't open it up. But this is a 10-inch airport, and that was the video thumbnail of his previous demo he gave me about 2 years prior to this. So check that demo out after we finish this video. Appreciate y'all watching my videos. Really impressive for 215s. I like the way he has his subwoofer layout box where it's optimized his space where his ports facing back, subs up. That seems to be most loudest output for hatchbacks like this. The way he has this port length extended outside of the box helped with the lower tuning response, and the port didn't take up as much space inside the cubic space of the box enclosure, so that kind of helps optimize your box location, and then you can of course fine tune your port to the length that's optimal. Having a nice speaker box layout between his mid-range and tweeters with the 8,000 watt amp up front kind of gives it a nice balance of the speakers, and he also has a 6.5s at the bottom. So this makes a 215-inch system on 8,000 watts on the bass end, and I didn't find out what the 4-channel amplifiers are. Sorry about that, but I'm pretty sure he has an amp hidden for those. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. 2 songs. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy. All right. Window down.
I'm gonna play $2.
Okay.
things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. The way that things have been. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my seal. The master of my seal. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, taking me, shaking me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Nice job, man. Congrats, Team DS18. Seth, all right. Thank you for the demo.
You're welcome.
You have a good day, man. Nice to meet you again, Seth. Good job, man. I enjoyed it. Yes, sir. That was a great hair trick. Nice to meet you again, Seth. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.